Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Reddit keyword data using SEO scraping tools step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Reddit website. Identify the subreddit relevant to your keywords. In the search bar, type the keywords you want to analyze. Once the results load, note the specific posts that seem most relevant. Copy the URLs of those posts for data scraping. Next, open your SEO scraping tool of choice. Many tools offer options like ScrapeEye, Octoparse, or ParseHub. For this tutorial, we will assume you are using ScrapeEye. If you haven't installed ScrapeEye yet, follow the installation instructions found on their website. Create a new ScrapeEye project using the command line interface. Use the command ScrapeEye start project name to initiate your project. Change into the project directory with cd project name. Next, create a new spider by running ScrapeEye gen spider name. In the spider, define your start URLs using the copied Reddit post links. Write a parse method to scrape the desired data, such as the title and comments. Use CSS selectors or XPath to target specific data elements on the Reddit pages. Test your spider by running ScrapeEye crawl spider name in your command line. Monitor the terminal for any errors and make adjustments as necessary. Once your spider runs successfully, export the data to a file format like CSV or JSON. Use the command ScrapeEye crawl spider name output-file.csv to save your data. Open the exported file to review the gathered keywords and their respective data. Analyze the data to identify trends and insights for your SEO strategy. If needed, repeat the process for additional subreddits or keywords. This method will help you efficiently gather valuable keyword data from Reddit using SEO scraping tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.